Yazi kuyini kwami lapha ke Canada okunye okumbisileyo ukuthi ngizobona lo muntu lo. This man sengisekwendawo elekhe sasibona kudala ama-picture ama-atlas ama-maps lo ngolikhwagama lapha ke Canada endaweni eChilwack ilekhi lethu nomuzi wakhe so sathi sisithanga umoya sifike la ugcele ke abantu abazobukisa London kamunjani
Ngiyaphila ngasibande udana.
Ngiyaphila kunjani eCanada?
Nje ukuzibonela nje.
Iwenze mnandi kangaka?
Liphumile la. Liphumile athi 3 months kuphela bese sibuyele emkhandweni.
So iwenze le 3 months kuphela? Uthi kuyatshintsha kugodwa kwaba isifula ulekhi yabisile ama-ice?
Ngewinter embi sibili kuba nama-ice phezulu.
Okay, kunjani kodwa wenzani lapha eCanada wena uhlalele emuti?
Sisihlalele nje siyancenyisa lathi khona.
Okay. So abaningi ke njengoba limazi ke ugama ngithathe ke veteran umuntu oke administrator for a long time especially eNguqu. Ungasithi bitela history yakho ukuthi vele ekhaya udabuka ngapi lani?
Ekhaya siphuma elipani emdlula ku4. Khulelela uVevu eBhayibheli. Yokuqala ekhoneni khona phana eBhayibheli nokubheka iBhayibheli.
Yiyakho leyana?
Yikho ngekhaya yikho ngakithi.
Yikho kulele khona?
Yikho enzalele khona yikho ngivulele khona.
So siyafunda ngaphi la ngapha?
Ngafunda eMafakeni la primary school khona phana eLuVevu. Ngaqeda primary school ngaye Christian Brothers College. Ngaqeda Christian Brothers College ngasesiyakwenza i-apprenticeship ngibamba ngidayisa amagetsi. Ngaqeda ngasenza National Food for 10 years.
Wasezalo?
National Food.
National Food when we see apprentice imchina ungena nje?
Aningambani phela imchina yona leyanenza impuphu ingapha kumele ilungiswe. Ungaba lemchina emitsha kumele ngiyi-connect. Yikho engangikwenza.
Okay. So into osuyazi lokho so lolwazi lakho lokho.
Anti ngase ngipasile i-course yami yamagetsi i-apprenticeship. Ayipasa ngo-1992. 92. Isakura school ofunde na? I-secondary school. Ngafunde Christian Brothers College eSiyabuswa.
Chef yabuza lapho tiketi ulunga lwade ukuthi chef utiketi asihambe eBhoreni.
Mafana ushapi lapho
siyabona usinika amatikiti phela lo muntu.
Siyabonga kakhulu Trevor, siyabonga. Big up to you. Thank you so much. Siyalala khona lami.
Lala khona iBhoreni ikhatshana ukuqalisa Trevor siyahamba la. So besibuye lapha sizobona uTrevor khona sizambona la. Sixoxe la. Use Victoria ukhatshana for me.
Kungumangwanyana but kuyafike.
Okay.
Angakwamele sikhathi ferry yesethisela.
Mara ke mbuze Trevor uyazwakala ukuthi ugama siyazwakala yini afuna ukuthi sikhutha ubona ke ngibhoda ngisazama ukuthi ngibona siyazwakala yini ngahlale la ephansi. Ongantshela uyazwakala yini Trevor. Ngulikho gama lo elimkhangelela kanti. Kodwa hayi ubabazalo lonkosikazi sivili lingazi la faka ithembeli ngeke ethembe komama ngiyabona nje omunye mama lapha ukuthi ke ugama swathatha hayi umuntu othe right what uqede kwalo wasebenzela khona ngani
kade ngasenza National Food
uTrevor ukuyazwakala lapha wasenza National Food
ngasenza National Food
ukhona ubize abantu champion
good afternoon champion. Hey, ngithwele nzima bakithi.
Laba bakhona
ekuseni kuthe kumele ngithi good morning champion.
Yes.
Izolo siyalala kuthe kumele ngithi good night champion. Ngithwele nzima ngila. Ngifika ngigqoke zami.
Ngingamangali kulezi zinto zabantu ezibhoda lapha sezifike zakhaba. Izinto ziyadlala lapha. So
ngifika ngigqoke zami lapha ngento yeArsenal le.
So lapho solani manje?
Hayi ngisola ukuthi indwangu idopha impembe. Ngisola ukuthi indwangu idopha impembe.
Usola indwangu idopha impembe?
Udwa idopha ingqondo.
So lapho kuyinjalo lapho beyokwazi ukudlalisa ikhamera yethu. Uyazi ukuthi ngathi sibuyela wona amadawo lo mamazala baba yibo ababamba amakhamera ethu. manje abantu bazobathanda ulala balele bona yeah so naona lo esinathi umaphosa samkhumbuza
happy birthday Skauza
Skauza leziyana
Skauza school uClub
yeah
uSlot
wazofuna hayi wayifuna ukwendela kuSlot wayifuna ukwendela kuClub
awu asizamendisela ku-Ariona
yeah injalo yabuya futhi zokhabisa into zama
siyayitshaya kade
yeah so silapha ugama right kade ya ibhora sizolithanda sokutheni
ibhora chisa lokuyana into engazalwa nilakho ukuba iHighlander phela ngazalwa lapho
wovela support
ngikukhetha ngayisupport amvele ngisesiswini sikamama makunene kade ngayisupport
sezotha lebizo ngoba uthiwa hey kulomnye undoda lapha lathi siqala umsebenzi lo umfana naye uthatha ibhora uhlale chingele kakhulu
kabi wazi kwakumele ukuchinge phela lapho kwakumele kuchingwe khona kanani kwakumele siliprotect iqembu lethu
right
kwakumele siligogoze kakhulu
bathina bemsebenzini wakho ngale sizokuthiwa ngapha nosukulinto zebhola
bathaba kakhulu phela anti lami kuthi ukuthi ngamfaka phela ikampani emepini
right
ngayimfaka ikampani emepini hayi they were happy angangidrive imoto yabo ngisenze imisebenzi yebhola they were very happy
utho olungisana ngalo no ongapheki impuphu kodwa
hayi mina ngangabheka impuphu ngangilungisa imchini elungisa impuphu
okay so laphana wabuya wathi ufuna ukuvotela kwaLenders what was the reason for you ukuthi no mina I want to serve this club
mina chisa iqiniso ngizakutshela umuntu owanginika intshukuntshu ukuthi ngisebenze ngunu umfana lo sengumfundisi lo uImet Ndlovu owayengumedic
no ways
yes uImet wanginika intshukuntshu uImet ngangihlala ngimmelela xa evele training andiyabona ngekhaya luveve lapha ngizayibona imoto kaImet Thucha eyiblue yena wayehlala enyuluveve duzane lero
yeah
ngingayibona ithutsha lapha sengisime etareni ngimisi ngimbuza ukuthi etraining kuhambe njani olimeleyo ngubani okhona ngubani uyibona njani team
right
kwakhulwa nje okuyinto kwakhula elilila uImet uthi wena nizakusebenzisa wena ngicela nxa usubuya egemini ungiphathela ama-ice ama-ice athi ama-ice phela abafana sizaqandisa amanzi labalimeleyo ngizabathoba nge-ice yebo athi nxa wena usubuya udlula uthenga i-ice ngizahle ngitshela abantu egedini abantu ukuthi bangakubona ufika bakuvulele ungene kwaqala-ke njalo-ke sakudlala njalo ngathenga i-ice ngithe ngifika eBF lami ngabona amagede evuleke ngathi avulekile amasango ngangena ngadilivela ama-ice uthenga i-team ifika bathola ama-ice ekhona kwaba yinjayelo from there ngabona ukuthi lami phela ngasebenza phela ngokusezingeni eliphezulu ngase ngisithi mana lami ngizama ukuthi-ke ngikhethwe
wena indlela yakho ngizipho ufuna ukungena wabona lapha ungenwa mahala lapha egedini
mana ngubuyisele emuva chisa mina ngaqala ngacontesta phela ukuba ngu-vice chairman
wayilenda
my first election ngazama ukungena ku-vice chairman ngacontesta against uShadrack Sibanda hayi ngangibona ukuthi nganginyikinya nje mfuna ukubona nje ukuthi kodwa abantu bangilanda bathi hayi mfana yini into oyenzileyo kodwa lapha hayi sizakufaka kodwa lo nyaka sizakufaka so the next season the next elections ke lapho kwama khona le election ka committee member sembonile ukuthi mani team yayingani yahlupheka kuthiwa izimali ngibone emagedini abantu into kasihambela
imali bangena mahala
amanye amatikiti asobona ethengiswa amagrosa eButch so ngabona ukuthi ngifuna ukungena ngivimbe emagedini i-team imthola imali ukuthi abantwana bakhona yikho-ke ngathi ngifika laphana election day ngathi mina ngifuna ukuvimba emagedini ngahle abantu bavota ke ngangena
right
ngahle ngangena
wena ukuwina kwakho kwethiswa abantu wawina ngenamba esabekayo usakhumbula ukuthi election yakho wawusidlubani khona ba
nga-contest against the-incumbent at the time ulegend uformer player umabaleka ufizola I think sasibabili hayi into engiqeda ukukhuluma nje i-clubhouse yavungama hayi ngabona ukuthi sengwenye
I remember your campaign yazi ukuthi wena wafika wangena wawuthaya wena umqhele futhi wafika lapha wathi ifeketini abantu bonke bahlanya konke clubhouse basukuma bonke bathi ifeketini wathi faka nini ugamanzo olungisa lokho wawuphuma usiyahlala phansi less than a minute icampaign endiyana utshela abantu abaningi andiyana ubani strategy wabe le strategy indiyana ngoba
hayi istory sasingasoze sibe sitechisa mina yinye into engangiyijongile uthi silungise emarketini imali ibuye ngekhaya abantwana laba bahola
right
ngoba yibo phela sibalandile bazadala njani belambile
right wavotela wazwa njani mhla uthi uwinile lapha nawu sahlala amaqhegu phela sezabadala by then wasemncane
I was very young but I had to be humble lami ngiubamba umthetho lami ngenze okufunwa liqembu ngenze engikuthunywayo ngabadala hayi ngangena ngubamba umthetho abangithuma abadala ngenza ababengithume khona ngavimba emarketini ngavimba emarketini abanye bakangikhulumisi lamhla ngoba ngavimba emarketini abanye bangichaya eseketini kodwa ngavimba egedini
I remember kona ngasibuya moto ezelibisile baningi kakhulu la wena zanyakwazi wena labanye laba ngubani asazama ungeza labantu phela bangabe kanti isemotweni zethu siphumana
kanti laseliya lichovisa lingene egedini thina kumele sikolisa abantwana ngeTuesday phumani abasebenzayo abangene ngemoto
hayi wethiza abantu abaningi manje basonke sathi ncazi bese uthayimela ugama ukhona yini kodwa ngona umile lapha bathi kwasokona-ke sabafana lapho baphuma bafana hanti sasuke nxevela dlala iZBC esiwaqhala emotweni yethu wena uthanda ufuna ulunguza phakathi ufuna ukubona
ngihamba isekiri ngangithethe akula moto engenayo lapha ngingayivethanga kumele ngibone ukuthi imoto engenayo lapha ngabani kulobani phakathi ekagwindi pelele yanethola ugwindi
yabuya kona le kakhulu
kwakulabo nkazana ayayidezike
yaqala ukudlalela le yachisa laphana phela one thing bantu bali-18 lingena lapha wona ungena uqala u7 nochairman wakwangibana
uroger
what wawina first
uroger umuntu wakusilo Peter Dube Peter Dube engusekretary uShadrack enguvayisi uLazarus engutreasurer nangikhuluma yo yasetshenzwa kwakuluye eboardroom kwakuluyiwe eboardroom kodwa siphume eboardroom injongo ibe yi-1 ukuthi team yethu win we make sure ukuthi team yethu we working for one cause ukuthi team win sasenza ukuthi team yethu
so lasebenza linjalo
sasebenza amanga amabi sasebenza sangena Ezra sangena iteam yayisezikweledeni yayisezikweledeni singatholi ngithi ipeni yoni allowance yokuthi siye singatholi
lana ngama-volunteer
we volunteered.
You never asked for allowance?
We volunteered within the first year under i-chairmanship kaRoger. Isikwelete lezana uyazi if I remember very well sazifika kubo $60,000 $60 ngaleso sikhathi.
Yayi imali eningi.
It was a lot of money. It was a lot of money. Saziqeda isikwelete. Izikwelete seziphelile kulapho esathi khona hayi sesingazilathi sizinike okungama allowance ukuthi lathi senelisa ukuthela ipetrol sithope up ifoni as per the constitution sasesithola kokungama allowance esaqala khona ukuthola ama allowance.
Seliqeda isikwelete.
Isikwelete seziphelile. Abantwana sebehola regular. Phela kwesinye isikhathi sasithi bengakwazi abafana sithi imali ayihambi yengena ebhenki. Bengakwazi. Kuba surprise. Usizumanager sithi abafana betukile phela. Bebona imali isingenile.
Lalo bavulela ama-bank accounts futhi labafana.
Bavulelwa ama-bank accounts ebhenki lezimbhenki.
And le ndlela enhlakaniphe ngayo ngoba lali sithi abafana njalo abafana abangasebenzi. Amakhampani ama-business people bafaka abafana bangena emsebenzini basebenze
kakhulu
lisambancede ukuthi bangathathi bengabafana babo ubhode esitaladeni bacele emakhamani basebenzi
baningi osomabhizinisi abasisizayo ngalezo nsuku baningi ngikhumbula umkhwanazi bobabili ochata ondaba zokufa ngikhumbula osibanda induna futhi uTitans oSimson Electric oMaster Screw oTelevision InSport yazi baningi abantu abasizayo baningi abanye yazi abanye bensiza in kind ondebela beZimbabwe Express Airlines okhemist siziba beCosmos Cellular babe uya chip in here and there besiza bebona ukuthi
lapha ngabantu
professional sasiwina
wathanyela inkezo wena
sasiwina
amakhaphu
sasithatha
shayile tight
ngomunye umnyaka sawina konke singakwinanga lilizwe kuphela sawina konke esingakwinanga lilizwe kuphela hayi we won everything vela not apologetic about
and then one
we
thing,
won everything
and then one thing ebakhona that's when phela la created that spirit yokuhlabela lokwamsa the beer ama road shows properly executed road shows i-clubhouse senza imali so
buzo uRobson Sharuko uRobson Sharuko once une-wine uyabhala ama-road show aqalwa ngabolikhwa gama
yes
uRobson Sharuko will never forget those years salute Robson salute
so laphana ke bathi omuntu abazoshoka-ke bathi bona sebephuma lo Peter
baphuma after we won the title baphuma lapha sokukhanya ukuthi owayengu-treasurer wathatha imali okwakumele ayithathe ground kumele ayifake ehofisini asayihambisanga ehofisini so ke ama-members athi khona hayi kulungile hayi siyibonile imali uyithethe kayibhadali kaqhubekele phambili hayi uchairman uRoger noPeter bakhetha ukuthi hayi bona kabasoze bathi they are principled basebechiya ngibona ngathi umnyaka ongangena khona isocha uKenneth retired Kenneth uMangwana
izingene eliphezulu
ezingene 20 step higher notch higher 20 notch higher
wathi igama mfana wami ngiyakuthanda mfana wami ngifuna sisebenzele
woza lapha gama kanti manje senze njani igama ukuthi bafana bethu lapha bawine igama senze njani igama kanti egroundini ku-right igama ku-right bangena ukuthi abafana yini kwasetshenzwa you know one thing chis NS Sibanda, may he so rest in peace. NS Sibanda, we had a very, very good working relationship.
Yes.
He is the manager. Very, very good working. NS Sibanda, before he came, APF, uzabuyu NS Sibanda, ngabo 11, 12, kama. Konke ku right, singena ngapi, senza njani. He would ask for all those details with NS.
Bond yayikhona le respect mutual respect in the executive and the technical team
very strong uNS wayesithi ephuma anti la mngathi wayesebenza ethengisa wayesithi ephuma athi gama nyaphuma ngicela usalukhangela ukuthi ukhamba konke ukuhamba right and I would do exactly that nxa engekho esemaphandleni gama i-uniform ngifuna sisebenzisa uniform le i-right hayi sisebenze sivumelane all right make sure i-uniform is ready on a Thursday is ready sesikwazi sidlala ngayiphi
right so kwaba lo mnyaka lwana ukuthi kathi seyele ndaqalisa ukupheka iground alenda start sokugcwala manje ground aqasa ukugcwalisa le ndaze siba empty phela leso sikhathi uqasa ukwenzeni baloda abantu so kwaba lemsindo kakhulu elenders babona labakubi la so kumele kwenzakaleni kumele siyifixe lapha so labo gwindi labo lesi
namza ngelanga lika lesi it was the first championship towards the first championship Cecil Roger we had decided as the executive ukuthi yonke executive ground in except yonke otherwise on any other day committee member mina yimi lo treasurer otherwise on that day it was the whole executive
Yeah.
He said everybody egroundini ekuseni o'clock.
Yeah.
And we were eground ngo-7. Iground yagcwala ngo-12 emini. Nsi. You remember uGwindi wayethe uDesi angadlali.
Yeah.
Waya
Waphinde wathi ubuye-
wathi uzenza angadlali.
Yeah.
Ezama usigumula phambili la ngemuva.
And laphana phela it was race so kwakunje phela.
Yeah.
Event yelo kuzine point.
Yeah, there was a point or two.
Yeah, point le Dynamos.
Hayi sathi khona
And
okungaqalwayo.
with the 2 games to go.
Hey, sathi okungaqalwayo. Akungaqalwayo. You can't just say from the office.
Because they wanted Dynamos to win that game.
He wanted
So,
Dynamos to win in that game.
So much
And then,
champions.
sathi no. That day, that morning, Bahlali. Yakadle kamkandane, yakadle PM.
Yeah.
Everybody was there.
Uzwa.
Everybody was there.
Yeah.
Sathi no to this nonsense.
Yeah.
No to this nonsense.
Eh.
Hayi wadlala uDesi, wadlala
Wa-
uZenzo. They played.
Lezo sehlangene mangwana phela mangwana ezekhuluma ukuthi kunegama lapha ke over my dead body ugama esilapha ngithe chairman abadlala abafana.
Yes.
Iqala kade ekhuluma isitory ukuthi igama lokwenzela ukuthi Desi Kapenya ruled out not playing.
Zenzo Moyo
Zenzo
ruled
not
out.
playing.
Yes.
Hey,
Yes.
lena ukadlalwa ngenkani.
Eh,
Isibindi siyala kutshela
umthetho kwaqhakathekile landini kwakungela mthetho othi wona uDesi lo Zenzo kangadlali kwakuyisingudengudwe kuphela ayifuna ukusebenza
lina likwazi abana mayelo ukhatha khona.
hayi
Yena wayesithi bana mayelo.
wayebalele yelo card ezayo 5 months ago isingudengudwe ayifuna ukusebenza no but hayi nothing happened Desi
Wabe kuyena ubhile egedini.
ye wabuya
Wena umile egedini.
ye sengizwile phela ukuthi iyayilabo bantu ebackseat
Yeah.
elo chief cashier phambili
Eh.
ngathi bakithi iground igcwele isigcwele sesivalile vele amagate
Right.
la amapassenger lilawo emoteni
Babe labo bani kona?
kwakungambazi
Amantombazana.
kwakungamantombazane ngathi la amapassenger lawo ngeke bangene ngeke bangene manje abantu labana ababephandle esibasebevaliwe phandle balifuqa igedi leliyana yo
Wena ubamba igate.
mina sinabanye ne-security sizama ukubamba igedi we were overpowered yo ama-security orobayi babuya nama-battles basikarab ngabukela ngilophondo ekhanda ngiloduma i-battle stick iradile la
Utsho wembani?
ipolisi urobayi
Ekubontweni ngubani?
vele they didn't care they didn't care kumbe vele babengelandaba bawo babevele befuna ukungitshaya kanti phela kukhanya lapha vele kwavele sekuyini
Yeah.
kwase kulwiwa
Yangeneleni.
hayi le ndayivele siphakathi
Yeah.
lapha kwakuyi-secretary general we-PSA no-cashier we-PSA
Khenesi ugama wena. Babe sithi wena ukuleli imoto yabo.
kwathiwa i-windscreen ugama i-windscreen
Bopha lo muntu.
hayi ambotshwanga ifolo nje amapolisa angibize hayi nona awangasemphambi kwamajistrate hayi
Usingaze court eThekwini.
eThekwini from the gqwetha leqembu elihloniphekayo ngiyabonga wangena wayilwa
uMatonsi.
uMatonsi
Sengujaji manje.
ujustice chief justice
Walwa. Yaphelile.
yaphelele high court discharge
Befuna inkalakade imali kuwe.
they wanted him a lot of money
Kuthiwa nge-windscreen.
uthiwa i-windscreen ngangikwazi umbe sasesithenga i-windscreen e-Boeing 747 yini ujaji wabona ukuthi lapha bese kuyi-fundraising nje kuphela but hayi ugqwetha wayimela indaba wayimela waze wayiphutha discharge at the end of the day but hayi
Wakhontina usebenzi. Vele awuzange wethuke.
no we carried on well I carried on defending the institution.
Yeah.
I carried on working very hard for the institution.
Yeah.
And I can say I am very proud.
Yeah.
I am very proud of the achievements esazenzayo ngaleso sikhathi. Behind nginama championship angu 3 and sabali lokho kunye lokho.
Wawina I remember we know ngamakapa wona amakapa
amanengi Dairy Body, Cosmos, Unity Cup,
Independence Cup,
Independence
wakubutha
sakutha mina one time sawina konke esingawinanga lelizwe awina konke ngakuna lelizwe we won.
So when you are talking of a legend la asikhuluma nje ngomuntu obuyileyo olambileyo. What was the difference by then? That time the Highlanders, not only you wanted a position, but it was wanted to save the club.
Thank you for calling me a legend. Yazehlisa. Mina ngangena lapana ukuthi ngisebenzele le institution. Institution esithi lamuhlile 100 years.
Right.
All I wanted was to work for this club. I wanted to work for this club. I love Highlanders.
It was never about the position.
It
was never about money. It was not what the allowances.
No.
Sleeping in hotels.
No.
Your boys were not in hotels.
No. Sase sibafake hotel, but thina nxa sasihamba sasizibhadalela ama hotel.
You members of executive.
Sasihamba sizithenela ipetrol sihamba.
So engabhadale iclub.
Sasizibhadalela. Sizihambela ngezimota zethu okhetha ukuyalala khona ehoteleni uyazibhadalela. Only on few occasions I remember ama cup final. And most of those cup finals, let's remember to sponsor why vele sponsor the package yonke, the transport and accommodation. But otherwise lokho kunye lokho sasihamba kodwa sizibhadalela.
We are talking about
and I have no regrets about it. Best times of my life. Best times of my life.
Kukhona yini kuncebanceba imali yale kwenzulu kokhona ayithonteka leso sikhathi.
Angazi ukhona wazamayo.
Dina kile ngengekho lo.
Ambona ukuthi ukhona wazamayo.
Yayideclare imali vele club.
Hayi ana no auditor babebuya ngoJanuary every January.
Ngiyakhumbuta kwaba lo mnyaka okuthiwa adverse account okuthiwa whatever ephuma clean eshutu
angikhumbule
shutu
bephuma bengunguna ngama accounts abantu angikhumbule
ephuma eshutu ho
hayi angikhumbule okhumbulayo angikhumbule bara angikhumbule
lezene ndaziyalandela yonke indawo
everywhere Zambia Africa
first people to take a land to Africa and the last
Zambia Africa it came here simple debate
sawena ngela ba
3-0 sakambe
ngibhlungu endo ngangikhona ngale eCameroon
kese uKen uNdebele wangifonela wathi hayi asihlangane phela eClub House siye ufona sizwe ukuthi kuhambe njani
ungakhona ungamele lisakazi then imchile khona kwakhona abantu bonke bemele ilizwe lonke 7 million people waiting for me ngeze comment ngikhona ngathi
sakahamba sayafona ya uNdebele ngamthela ngamanzi esefeinta
serious
akumuntu your team is beaten here your team is beaten can uthi we are beaten uken wathi hayi awuzwanga kude wena leta la ngathi can uthi we have been beaten your team is beaten what do you want your team is beaten
safika kwale Cameroon yikho lapho besinika khona isinkwa lesikhanyelanga sahlaliswa kwenye hotel ihotel angibona yayibheda injengokuthi awuthi ngaqama amabele okule night club phansi kulama hole athengisayo
iDoric
sangena kwaba ngapha sithatha stadium okule ndele engena ngayo uthatha amadrum amanzi esithela sidlula bethela sidlula
that's African football
thathe ilokozeni itaxi yakho ngase stadium ngaphi umfudu ngihamba ngimbambe so kuthiwa itaxi i-conversation yakhona konzima itheni ngesikhathana nje i-team yana isiwayipile first half isiwayipile 3-0 so 3-3 second half sazama uGift Lunga uThebe last minute injury time kungena umuntu ekhethe wakhaba phansi ibhola lazwi
hayi kweloyiwe
sikwazi
kanti benzani igame ingakaqa uthiwa kwabangena benza something eground
labana bangena phela ground lana bangena le ground emaliplayers ekhona abateam lana ureferee khona la ibukile bafika bathela amanzi esela so ngecala le drum lana yelo ndodo ombonamba le Cameroon lama yellow and all that la iwephatha support la bangena ground bathela so phansi yonkini bayo sikongona cut ngathi ngiyamemezela ibhola kwathiwa intamba zisebenzi you are not gonna do your commentary ngahlalela ibhola lazilaphela yimi engamphika ama-players ilele phansi egiqika bekhala ozenzo. Every player was crying.
Hayi phela
Yimi ngase ngi-strong.
lapana phela sasithi lapha sasingena emalini.
Kanti usuzingena imali ngoba lapha kwayesethi 200,000
cash. Lapana sasingena emalini.
uRoger sebedliwa abafana.
Ukeni ngamthela ngacela amanzi eclubhouse ebhala pha. Ngamthela ngamanzi ukeni esefeyini. Esefeyini phela iviki yonke ukeni egula isick.
Lani game lana. Igame lana kwaba nzima.
Hayi game yesebhuti party.
Hayi.
Yona igame yeBF abantu behotela lapha neRio basitshela bathi kulomdala wabo sivele kaphume endlini.
Usele bathi room.
Bathi kaphume endlini. Even the day match day kaphuma ngendlini. Wasale eroomini. Wayesale cheese.
Ungagoli izikhoze lezi phela zabe uyafast lapha la 3 notes.
But sasiqinile phela.
Lapha iqinile.
Sasiqinile.
La phela ubamba.
Sasingani
wawuke.
Andi mina ngakhulele esabateni satatanda.
Wadadliwa mina.
Hayi angeke. Angcono ngiyelala ngilindile iground. Ande ngangilala. Sasilinde.
Yazi ngifuna ukuya endabeni yakho kulala eground. Kama uzakala uthiwa iground. Mana ngitshela team yakho. Athi kwanguwe the late ubibhiza, late umaphosa. Bona mina.
Umoya.
Kuyini okwenza ukuthi ulala eground nolindile. Funa ungitshele lezi stories zakho ezenzakalayo ulinde eground.
Hayi phela.
Uthakatha yini? Kuyini okwenza egroundini kwabana eBF kusuku bonke.
Hayi sasilinda phela ukuthi abathakathi nxa bekhona bangabuyi bazosithakatha. Ngasazifuna ukuwina.
Lenze njalo.
Silinde silale sikhangele.
So lalala ngalali.
Hayi sasingalali.
Yabele mina.
Hayi sizula khona ba. Sasizula iground sizula.
But isicela ngisikhumbula ihlesa ukuthi lathi landilindela bese sirawelindile.
Salinda sonke zathi zajamelana ekhoneni.
Awuzibabhesezi.
Babe ku home ke bona kuleyo viki. Sabatola parking lot lapha nesikolo. Balindile awusathi lade wothi silinde labo khonapho. Salinda lapho.
Lapha uthi sithobeleni la.
Azathobela.
Ngene eBF.
Azathobela.
Kwazi bahla.
Lapho mina kambe.
Bese kusenziwani?
Hayi anti sina senza amacebo lathi. Ngisafuna ukubona ukuthi bangangena bona eground benzani. Senza amacebo sabhoda ngani le takini garage lika
le road lapha.
Abhoda saphenduka etown abhoda ngangale konkomo ngathi. Phosela umfana phakathi. Atamlethala ume ulinde ukubona ukuthi benzani.
Babuye bathuthi.
Lapho nje temfika umfana wathi hayi benze so.
Bengena bo 3 ekseni bona.
Hayi base sekungenwa ke lapho ubaba unkomo esevulile amakheke.
Baba unkomo ngikhetheke.
Unkomo yonkhetheke. Esebavulele ke anti bona bayavula bangene bona. Avule bangene bona.
Abanemakhiya amadressing.
Thina bese sibezivulela mbayidla. Kanti thina sivele silomuntu ovele sephakathi. Obakhangeleyo bona bengazi. So sebevula lapho umuntu lana uthi hayi endaweni nje benze so. Sangena ke saqala sakhepha lapha khonapha kade behamba. Bama ngathi kanti abantu laba ba profit njani ukuthi besenze nje.
Hey.
Esabachaya.
Yiko ufukona.
Hayi kwakungangenwa nje lula lapha. Kwakufukona. But at the end of the day hayi kwakulibhora lakho. Kwakulibhora lakho.
So igame lakho yahamba njani?
Ade sabadla uthi
that is what
sabadla.
Yayi rival enkulu nje.
I miss some games in Zimbabwe since. I wish no man. Hayi akubancedise noma team ibuyele.
Noma ubuthi vele ukuzondiya ilenda
badraw le Boso 90 last week.
Noma ngumbo vele uyabe vele zondiya ilenda.
Hayi that day wakhuluma indaba yakho ukuthi wazodelana yena. Wathi ukuthi yena one day bakhethe Ndriza kuthe beqeda uAli wabaxotsha.
Bathi Pumani
mana babedla team kaAli. Wale wabaxotsha Pumani hambani. Ukuthi from there noma vele avele uyayizona.
Ngikhumbula umnyaka lwana futhi omunye umuntu webhola lapho izobe sentiyali winele league izidi deno. Uyakhumbula? ngoba iDynamos wanted a draw lesen
angiyanga mina eHarare thina sazale eHarare
yeah khumbula
mina ngafuna ke
wacula usitshela usihambe senze club wahamba njani akusitshele
umfana wesenzi lo othiwa ngubani kanti umoyo othiwa ngumthumayeli mthulisi sakwazi umfana wayesefomini wena
bayidli iDynamos
hands down 3-1 or something like that abayitshaya
wena uthi eza-announce ukuthi kuyiwe eZimbabwe senze club sihamba saya-celebrate i-championship wesenzi uyakhumula i-championship se-celebrate
singakayi ngakithi
sihamba kwaqala kwezesoweto sihlezi labani pesenti bathathwa kwathiwa buyanini lesoweto sabugombolozeli
kwakumnandi that day kwakumnandi basebenza sayithatha I think leyana yangesibili I think
hayi lena yesingekho esithuli ya
yikho phela
yayiqala lena ethi gas amhla ka-28 February
wayithela ithi gas esiyidlile iDynamos
kanti kwasasithelelwa nethi gas
ukuthi sesiwinile uthi sesiwinile
kanti kwahamba nje
owayethwele ithi gas wayezondile into yakhe idliwe
wachaya soweto wayitshaya embangweni wayitshaya ngapha emaKristian wayitshaya yonke indawo
kodwa i-3 points sasesisiteke sasesiyathatha i-championship remember sayithatha nge-last game esadlala khona lezi Cisco Steel uWillard rest in peace induna yami edlaleli iZisco Steel I still remember referee I can't remember his name ureferee lwana wayelomzimba omncane lempabanga so I can't remember his name uthi mbona unompembe kade
kanti laphana sithi iDynamos wakule game eyi-1 yokugcina ngithi mhla ka-28 wona leyo balethe igazi yayingasuye league title sesibili kwamele sibe lenye igame ebuyayo
we had 2 more games or something like that after that one
then kodwa vele kokari uwina lapha sathe savula igame savula igame nge-3 points
usiyadlala labo Cisco Steel last game hayi usukwazi ukuthi vele lapha sesithethe
sathatha iligi-ke iligi lana umnyaka lwana wawungabani lwana owadonsayo wango-98-99
98-99 lapha iminyaka lwana babezama ukwenza
ngoba phana wena uthi ngawule league 4 league title
ngangile 4
indawo lala phela umnyaka we-2 samochakalelwa phakathi kwiligi eyi-1
but anyway i-3 but yes4 yabuya ngasekho
yes
but
it was a team which you built
yes after the third one I said I've done enough
so when after that labuya lapha lazowina ileague eZimbabwe Saints with the help of Zimbabwe Saints violence yayikhona ama-players eDynamos I remember iphuma violence there was an incident whereby wena ekhona member acina ungena center walwa lo makhwinji
hayi angilwanga lo makhwinji
kuhamba njani
hayi
makhwinji so mamenzani
makhwinji wangifuqa so igame ithe ngakaqali remember igame lana ayisigcwele ngisonti uWhite wangibiza owayengu-chairman we-PSL vice chairman we-PSL wathi gama anti uyabona ukuthi across the pitch eVietnam stand ngale abantu
baseharare
hayi eBF empankweni abantu basebekhupha kuthiwa kuyinto kwama-sponsor okwakubotshelwe efensini because abantu basebehlezi phansi sekugcwele so uWhite wasethi ngcono liwe ulalise elonini ekhangele phezulu elisi kukhanya ukuthi kubhalweni yikho kuhamba kwami-ke the sesiba ngesenta sembona umakhwinji laye usesiyeseni ngase ngisithi-ke moyo lo mabhosi asimeni lapha sibona ukuthi ufuna ukwenza so wasefika laphana wasengifuqa wangifuqawo hayi anzange ngisiphakamisele sandla anzange ngisiphakamisele sandla
because abantu abaningi babesithi-ke ogama nje ecine kule power bekwesaba kodwa ongazangiushaya umuntu beni
hayi mina impukane lo miyana ngitshayo anilawo amandla khona akilawo amandla khona but no kwakumnandi yasibuye
iDynamos Islanders
baba
iDynamos Islanders
kwazabuya imasingo yo hayi team yayihlupha nyanga
lapha khathesi phela i-rival yethu esikhona esiyimazulu la
Yeah.
imazulu isebhiyevu
Yeah.
i-real stars
Yeah.
I remember the game mina memezela amasuku ngilawe le iyale ndidlala emasuku
Yeah.
ukuthi vele imazulu isidla i-real stars league bakhubuda
Porala limnandi. Usuloko sefonini. Kuthiwani ngale ezi? Bathini ngale? Hey, ithani phela. Yeah.
umsindo wabantu abana
Yeah.
bamazulu
Yeah.
phela uthola phi imali lapha ephi imali ngapha ngibulawayo
Yeah.
ibonus
Yeah.
dani nale ndani imali engaka
Yeah. Lipora bandonene. Ay.
so
Aye.
ikatena kulota trainer i-real stars and ukhalela imazulu
Yeah.
o-stars wabathatha one
Yeah.
befuna ukuwina u-real stars sebengama-champion
Yeah, sabatshaya.
imasingo nale kanje yaphela i-draw nje yaphela i-draw
Yaphela i-draw.
so kwaba nomsindo bona labantu ababevele befunani ukuthi bawine lapha sebeya ku-home league hayi ibhoranala kwakunzima lapha
Ibhoranala
irival ekhona from zimbabwe sense it went to dynamos
Went to Amazulu, Restars.
real stars but i-real stars atatanga leyi
Ayizange ithathe i-Restars. Hayi,
imazulu owayivimbayo until you left
yaze yathatha.
yathatha ungasekho
Yes, engasekho.
yathatha ungasekho
Yathatha. Yeah, but i-rivalry yakhona ayimnandi. Ayimnandi.
kwakufiwa
Ayimnandi.
kunabofele somatsika
Matsika,
nabomjuru
Mjuru.
labelusala nawe kuzithi bantu
Eh.
muna nozigama nonetsa
Ah,
muna
yeah.
nozigama nonetsa wonke umuntu esho njalo
Hey. I miss those days. But Yeah.
right amakhochi akho latshintsha uramani ehlala lazo utheni sesiyathatha
I remember it was a game eMtare. Esadliwa. And then after that, we felt no. Ngani sifuna
libale you didn't want ukuba le-chance ingawina nge-league lapha
hayi sasifuna ukuyithatha futhi sasesicela ugumbuthe hambe kunjani ulo umkhulu wayesekuJets eZimbabwe Jets
u-edmade
samthatha-ke from Harare samletha
okay
samletha
uramani wama league winner
league winner
ngoba laphana laliselivele liyikhona kwabo-chelsea lani lalingafuni
hayi we wanted to win
you were very ambitious and passionate
we wanted to win ngathi wina phela
u-edmade wabe
siwinele isizwe zethu zonke
yeah
and the joy that brings to abantu bakithi
It's too much.
it's unbelievable.
so lokuze naphana u-edmade wabuya wathi wawinile
why ayiphinda yangiyokucine yami
yokugcina
yiyo yogcine yami
before then that's when me and you left
but before that ngahamba le team eTanzania
Aha. Simba.
lalo umfana lo makhamera lo uthandazana
yeah
sahamba eTanzania young African
lo young African
young sadraw eTanzania sisithi laba eBF siyabachaya ya akungumfana lokuyana ngale ku right flank
kanti yasitshaya i-bf kanje
yasitshaya i-bf ani abandonwa wasingithi penalty sithe siyale wabanika similar circumstance amandebela athi nonsense
sidlale njani leki
sadrawa sadrawile kibo
sebesilapha sisuka sesiqeda umsebenzi and sasiye emalini kwaba-after that
asemalini umuntu kwamhlupho ugivivi mini yonke basibulala kumuntu basibulala but well it is what it is
sidliwa yitunisia wangasekho lapha
hayi ngangasekho
wasolikhiwa la chapa 6
ngase indlela
yayini esperance
Esperance hayi ngeze ubuhlungu but uyayibona
no you can pass it's okay you can pass don't worry about us
uyayibona ikhithi yona leyana esadlala ngayo nalona umnyama andiyabona ukuthi yayi i-NSM imiyafulo Titus induna but
yeah
hayi nanyakuthumelela imali i-uniform isiyadlala ngayo. Ingoma lena yayisoswa yimi eManchester. Uthetha zathi ufaka DHL.
Yabo uniform.
Yeah, uthetha siwabhadala. Hamba even ngisesekobulawayo wayengithuma thi ngithime eFranciscan uyothengela abantwana i-uniform.
Lisebenzele team.
Ngikahambe ofisini kona abantu uthetha Nancy. Ufike ebhoda i-clearing agent.
Thatha soyini kona ba?
Uthetha sento
Oyisponsor. Ibhodi la lisebenza lebhodi very calm. Ibhodi engakhulumela la.
Ngangena mina laba kulabadala onjini the late usasela ongwenya umfowabo ka former governor. Then retired ngwenya umloyisaphila. Ababebaningi abadala abanye abakhohlwa amagama obaba uThapi uSidile respected man. He ran Victoria Falls i-city council ibhaniwe single-handedly as commissioner. I had respect for that man.
Ibhodi lena ekhona iyani ibhodi vele umsebenzi wakhe
yayi-advisory nje
yayinga-interfere operation abakho vele
kumbe sahlangana labo once every 4 months.
hayi khona kokuphela
Hayi, once every 4 months.
and vele one thing into eyinonsense baye bahlale ngani phasi nje abadala.
Yeah, but wawuzayibona phi innocence isiwile.
So vele it was not necessary ukuthi buye.
Hayi, salute those old friends.
Yeah.
Hayi bang
Nokuhlabangana nabana ntobo mdala.
Unsele before he passed away. Unsele is a founder member. Labo Albert, labo Rosi, khona lesikhosini.
Labo Thapi le.
Khona pa.
Lasebenza kama wasebenzeli club le. Kulobunzima, and the one thing when you made the people happy, you made us happy. You made everyone happy.
Ngiyabonga sibona.
Iminyaka leyana akula muntu ongayikhotha 1960 kuya 2003 6 akula muntu ongayikhotha isikhathi sele nje amakapha sikuthi yonke into ukuthi
Stata.
kanti manje what is the difficulty ekhona ekuraneni iklabhu yaLenders nxa ulandela ugobha ibhuka iconstitution kuyinokunzima?
It's very difficult to say honestly. Angazi kumbe sesingena laphana sisithi kuyini iclub ezangenzela khona. Whereas thina sasingena sifuna ukwenzela something for the club. So I don't know if that is the case. Lokuthi kanti nxa kukhona okungahambi kuhle kanti indaba bengabuyeli kubanikazi bayo but lapha akuhambi kuhle kwenzisenze njani.
Kanti abakudala indaba bechiya abakathezi kwathi abafuna ukuchiya kuthi kukhona yena odiwayo
asazi ke khona futhi
ngonqa umuntu umele achiye phela
ngakumbe kukhona sikuwinayo ngathi akukhona phela abakuhlaleleyo but umuntu abengawini khonapho lokho efuna ukubuyela kanti ubuyelela ukuthi singawini
ubuyele ukuthi ube khona just wesikhambeni
ukuthi ube khona nje kuphela yikho abantu bebona ngani kukhona okunye okuthathwayo khona pha
ngoba vele ngawangolile ukuthi omele lawo phambili
ubona sekuyiwa ngaphi bonke bakhona pha
ngokuthose behambile
bonke bakhona pha
bohambe labanye bebhoda
andizimali khona pha ezivumayo at the end of the day ayiphelanga phela i-2 weeks sezokuthiwa abantwana babhadalwanga
nangathi besitake iviyo phele besitake
sebentake kumbe ka-3 lokho bephenduke eBotswana lapho okwabhadalwa khona izimali ama-allowance kanti indaba singasebi imali nalena
laphana ngicela ukuzilini iplayer kwawungena ama-sponsors kwawungena lutho ketlani iphila ngani imali egedi
hayi ekhona ama-sponsors
yeah
but remember phela ukuthi egedini ngasemvimbili
okay so imali yonke
yayisibuya yayingena sibili but angazi kathesi angazi line liphansi liseduze on the ground
imali yabeningi
hayi yayingena
uyabona kade into different lina when you were PSL it was clubs running PSL not PSL running clubs angithi kade sibeli PSL siba determine what to do
PSL was made for the clubs
Yeah.
Not
By the clubs.
By the clubs, not the other way around. This is not the PSL that was Pelani lo Chris Banda at division 4. Hayi ayisiyo.
I see.
Hayi lokho kunye sebaku hijacker sebenza
Amachika uthi club is not supposed to see the ticket. It's not meant to be there. Babe azotsho ngasi percentage yakho. La go.
Uye tshela ukuthi lamhla siyakuletela amapolisa ayi200. Uyeletela amapolisa ayi kuhlalwe phansi sithi so many.
What do you think? You think the tickets should be printed by the club, not by the PSL?
I-PSL kayiprint club ama-ticket. Kodwa i-club must have an audit ama-ticket before the game. Kumele kube le-accountability somewhere.
Why ungabe lo muntu wabo we lokuzana uqala ukuthatha amabhenki abathengisa ama-ticket?
Abathengisa kwakuthatha amabhenki. I believe it's still the each case now, but financial institution.
Right.
But anti yabona ukuthi kuqala futhi babe encourage lama members awe club aye funa ama cash babuye babe ngama cash.
Phela ngitshoni kathesa abantu akhona babazi.
Hayi baba the club is no say. There's no say.
Sepha ngithi pure nasi 5,000. Angatshoni landa 3,000.
Ikoloko.
Akusekho lokana ukuthi uthe abantu.
Hey.
Do you think when iBF lana sibe nxa uthi igcwele all over ama stand wonke lana ungathi abantu ade begcwele capacity 8,000?
Hayi. I would say kubo maybe 23. Between 23 and 25.
But there's a 8,000 what keeps an island?
There was a time I could tell ukuthi by looking at the ground, just looking at the ground. Now just lamhla sichaya abantu maybe paying 15. Lamhla sichaya maybe 21.
Number 15. Angaze. But the January's game is coming. Ukhangele ifigures zakho.
Yeah. Uzaza 8.
Eish.
Yeah, uzaza 8. And yet we know that's the biggest crowd puller.
That's so where to stand when you bala kudala vele yona ngwayo na Soweto yonke ihlezi 8,000. Kodwa 8,000 yodwa bale Soweto kudala lapha na.
Imomo yonke le
ngiyabala imbangweni obala uthiwa
ubala impilo ubale ma VIP
lama wing. Yeah. So right unga lapha singaqedi ke gama so ibhora kathesi uthini leZimbabwe what do you think?
Hey, ibhora leZimbabwe le khathesi lile confusion. Ulo sponsor uyasponsor lo asponsor loana anike lo munye incentive yokuthi aye kudla loana ocomputer la lo kusesele ibhora same league.
Kodwa vele ngeFIFA you're not allowed.
It's not teams. It's in emthethweni it's not allowed. But ukuthi into zakhona vele nje ze-reverse. Zinxele esikhuluma iqiniso. Some of those things are not allowed in any lokuzen a footballing country. It's illegal. Can't do that.
Do you think you come back to Islanders in future?
Hayi ngasina ngaqeda anokusina kuthethelwana ngasina. I'm too old for that. I'm too old for that. I'm in the side. I'm writing supporter from Emacele. Let's keep supporting Bagit. Our only remaining treasure it's sitting in a very precarious position. Our forces left, right, and center. Let's keep our heads cool, but let's protect our institution. Protect our institution.
Legendary Highlanders son, former administrator, won 3 league titles and several cups, almost total more than 10. Trophy domestic competition. Thank you very much.
Cultus Lake, gentlemen and ladies.
Lapha besibuyile endaweni imbuzo bemningi siyaxolisa imbuzo sezoyiqala sibona lo gulo la lapha siyabonga Bernard hayi vele remains the best. ungwayi
Why? Ibochiwe.
ibothiwe ngwayi no thank you very much ilekhi yakhe le kuthiwa yini ilekhi le
Cultus Lake.
Khatosle
It's in Chilliwack.
Chilwa okay thank you very much siyabonga wonderful thank you Gama we got okuningi siyabonga chini la phela ngo uyibopha wena hayi imbuzo ndizayiphendula lilanga hey mningi imbuzo mayi babo yeah bantu bachaza statement sawo ukuthi iminyane lokozeni iminyane lempukana echayo hayi siyabonga hlobo zami sibhoreni